As we approach 2025, I've decided it would be a good time to review each holding in my dividend portfolio to see if they still fit my strategy. Now, this won't be a deep dive or a detailed stock analysis by any means, but rather a simple evaluation to reflect on how each stock has performed and what I plan to do next. Do I want to sell, hold, or buy more of that particular stock? So throughout December, I'll be dedicating a video to each holding in my portfolio. Today we're going to be checking out Cummins, ticker symbol CMI. Now, the initial reason I invested into Cummins is simply because I've owned several Dodge Cummins diesel trucks and I'm just a fan of their product. But here's how Cummins has performed for me so far. So I've invested $323.52 into CMI with an average share price of $213.32. Now, I currently hold 1.51661 shares, and as of recording, the total value of my position is $581.50. Now, my overall gain is 92.45%, with $257.99 coming from market appreciation and $22.38 coming from dividends. The current dividend yield is on the lower side, it's 1.92%, but the 5-year dividend growth rate is 7.39%. Now, all the dividends I've received from CMI have been reinvested into other holdings. Now, Cummins has been one of the best performing stocks in my portfolio. Most of that performance comes from the stock appreciation rather than dividends, which is not surprising given the relatively low dividend yield. Since I don't own a large number of shares, the dividend income hasn't been too significant, but the overall returns have been outstanding. Looking at the company itself, I see a lot of potential for continued appreciation. The dividend stats are solid and sustainable for a long term, and CMI has proven to be a reliable performer in my portfolio. For 2025, I will definitely hold on to Cummins. The company's fundamentals, the consistent growth, make it a strong long-term hold. In fact, I feel comfortable enough to add to this position. I like their products a lot, and I believe their stock appreciation could continue to climb for the foreseeable future. But that's a wrap of my review of Cummins. But let me ask, do you own CMI? What are your thoughts on its future? Let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe and check back later, where I'll review another holding in my portfolio.